So this was my first time installing Ditra Heat cable. I've had
Light
it
to
on
ground.
other projects, but I was not the installer.
Light to ground.
Just helping out a buddy who was on a tight timeline trying to get this thing finished up for someone to move in. Now, it says you need to use a megometer, I think is how you say it. I don't actually own one, so I just used a regular meter and wasn't able to energize the cable like they'd like. Everything I've read says that is a better install, so I'll have to get one for future installations. Here you can see I ran into a problem. We were doing 3-stud spacing and had way too much cable left over. Looked at the install instructions and saw that we can do 2-stud spacing, and you'll see here in a minute that that worked out. I was not the one who designed this. I didn't communicate with the vendor on the layout of the bathroom, so I wasn't really sure what I was coming into when I got started. But overall it went pretty smooth. I gotta say, I've had a heated floor in one of my houses before, and it was a nice to have, but quite honestly I didn't really think it was worth the cost. Just curious what you guys think. You know, it's a cold climate here. We generally have rugs or mats down in the bathroom, mostly just so you don't slip and so your feet aren't so cold. But even when we had the heated floor, we had mats down the whole time. So, I don't know, kind of a nice to have, but a little gimmicky to me. Maybe I'm just cheap or something. But let me know what you think in the comments. See you on the next one.